Hey guys, this is how to connect Spotify to Tesla car. So guys, I made this table over here so we can have a deeper understanding. So first thing what you will do is simply open the media player on your Tesla touchscreen and just simply select the Spotify application from the available apps. And from there, just simply log in your Spotify premium account credentials. And from there, just make sure to enable the Bluetooth on your mobile device as well. And just simply pair your device with Tesla by just simply selecting the Bluetooth icon on the touch screen. And after that, just simply open the Spotify application on your phone and just simply play some music and you should be able to connect it successfully. So guys, make sure to connect your Tesla and mobile device as well to the same Wi-Fi network. Open Spotify on your mobile device and just simply select your Tesla from the list of available device under the Spotify Connect. And there you go. See ya.